You can order the grill assembly used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your engine and set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. You will be able to see 8 screws and nuts that hold the grill assembly. Unscrew them using a 10mm wrench. Close the hood. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Using a plastic fork, pry off the top of the grill assembly to disengage the fork clips attached to the hood. These clips always break during the assembly, so remove the remaining parts of the clips from the hood using a pair of needle nose pliers. Spray with penetrating oil the retaining nuts holding the Ford emblem on the grill assembly. Then unscrew them using a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Remove the emblem. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. You can order the grill assembly used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Place the Ford emblem on the new grill assembly. Then, screw it back on. Grease the openings on the hood to make it easier to insert the clips of the new grill assembly. Then, put the new grill assembly in place. Next, press down on the top part of the assembly to lock the clips in place. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. Open the hood. Then, screw the 8 screws and nuts back on. Operation complete.